बिस्मिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. We start chapter number 2, exercise 2.1. In exercise 2.1, only the sixth question is very important. I solve this question and we learn this question. Remaining question you will solve yourself. Now the question number 6 is equal to question number 6. Express the following recurring decimal as the rational number P over Q, where P and Q are integers. And Q is not equal to 0. Now first part of this question is 0.5 bar. This 5 bar mean this 5 is repeating again and again. We write this, let x is equal to 0.5 bar. We write again x is equal to this 5 is repeating again and again, 0.5, 5, 5, 5 and so on. We write this one. Now here we see that only one digit is repeating again and again, so we multiply both sides by 10. If one digit is repeating again and again, you will multiply 10 on the both sides. Let 10 multiplied by x is equal to 10 multiply 0.5555 and so on. Here 10x is equal to this 10 multiplied by this number, decimal fraction. This decimal point move on to the right side by one digit. We write 5.555 again. We number this 2. Thank you. Subtract 1 from 2. We get 10x is equal to 5.555 and goes on. This is equation number 2 and equation number 1 right here, 0.5555 and goes on. This is our equation number 1. Now we subtract this minus, we change the sign, this minus. Now this portion will cancel this portion, only you have on the right side only 5. 10 minus x, you have only 9x. Now we want to find the value of x. X is equal to 5 by 9. 9 is multiplying, and when go on the other side, on the right side, it will be in the denominator. So x is equal to 5 over 9. It means P over Q is equal to 5 over 9. Now we can write recurring decimal fraction in rational number like this. Now second part of this question is 0.13 bar. It means 30 is repeating again and again. We write this, let x is equal to 0.13 bar. It means 0.13 again and again repeating, and goes on. We write this one. Now here we see this 13 is 2 digits, is repeating again and again, and so on. We multiply by 100 on the both sides. When 2 digits are repeating, you will multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 on both sides. 100 multiplied by x is equal to 100 multiply 0.13, 13, 13, 13, and goes on. Now here 100x is equal to, now this decimal point will move when we multiply 100 by this decimal point move to the right side by 2 digits. We write here 13.13, 13, 13, 13, and so on. This is our second equation. Now subtract 2 from 1. Subtract 2, 1 from 2. 1 from 2. We write 2 in the upper. 100x is equal to 13.13, 13, 13, and goes on. This is our second equation. Now I write first equation. Let x is equal to 0.13, 13, 13, and goes on. This is our first. Now we subtract this minus sign, here also minus sign. This portion will cancel this portion. You have on the right side only 13. Now 100 minus 1, 1x, we have here 99x. Now write this 99x is equal to 13. Now we want to find the value of x. This 99 will move on the right side. We write in the denominator x is equal to 13 over 99. Now this is the answer of this question. We write P over Q is equal to 13 over 90. Now the third part of this question is 0.67. Now third part of this question, 0.67 bar, it means 67 is repeating again and again, and so on. We write let x is equal to 0.67 bar, it means x is equal to 0.67, 67, 67, 67, and goes on. This is our first equation. Now 2 digits are repeating. We multiply both sides by 100. Multiply both sides by 100. This 100 multiplied by x is equal to 100 multiplied by 0.67, 67, 67. This is our second equation. Now 100 multiplied x, you write 100x. This 100x is equal to, when we multiply 100 by this number, this decimal point move to the right side 2 digits. We write here 67.67, 67, 67, and goes to, this is our second equation. Now we subtract 1 from 2. 1 from 2 we get 100 x is equal to 67.67676767, and goes on. This is our second equation. We write first equation here, x is equal to 0.67, 67, 67, goes on. This is our first equation. Now subtract this. Here this is positive, we change the sign of this minus, this also minus signs in. We subtract 100x minus x, you hear 99x is equal to. Now this portion will subtract this portion, this 0.67, this 0.67, this will minus this, you will get here only 67. Now the answer will be x is equal to 67 over 99. This question is very important according to the examination point of view. Now we go on exercise 2.3. Now 2.2 is not important, you solve this only in this exercise. The MCQs will be settled from this only. We go on the exercise 2.3. Now 2.3 is, the first question is write each radical expression in the exponential notation and each exponential expression in radical notation. Do not simplify. Now under root minus 64, this third root. Now we want to find, this is written in radical form, you write in exponential form. Now minus 64 and this third root will be right here 1 over 3. Now this is written in exponential form. Again the second part, this is first part, the second part of this question, 2 3 over 5. Now we write this 2 3 multiplied by 1 over 5. Now again we write this 2 power 3 and this root will come, fifth root of this, you write radical sign here, this 5 come here. Now this is your answer of this question. Now third part of this question is minus 7 power 1 by 3. It is also written in exponential form. You will write this number in radical form. You write here, this is the third root and this is radical sign, minus 7 here under this radical sign. This is also called radicand, and 1 over third. The fourth part of question number 1, exercise 2.3 is y minus 2 by 3. This is written in exponential form. You write this in a radical sign. Now y, this minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 3. Unite here y power 2 minus 2 and this is 1 over 3. Again y minus 2 and this will written is in this form. Now 3. This will one third root of, right here third root. The question number 2. The following expressions, statements are true or false. The first statement is 5 power 1 over 5 is equal to 5 under root 5. Now here 5 power 1 by 5 and is equal to under root 5 power 1 by 2. Now this are not both same thing. This is false. You also write this under root this 5, the fifth root is equal to under root 5. Now it is also false. You solve this in this sense, it is also false. You write in this form, you also write false. This is first part of this question, and the second part of this question is 2 power 2 by 3 is equal to under root 4 3. You write this 2 power 2 over 3. You write also this in exponential form. We write here under root this 4 and this right 1 over 3. 2 power 2 by 3 is equal to this 4 is right also 2 की power 2 1 over 3. This 4 is written in this form 2 power 2. Now power over power. Power will multiply. It means 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 is equal to 2 power over 3. Again 2 over 3. Again 2 over 2 by 3. Again 2 power 2 by 3 is equal to power 2 by 3. Now it is true. Now both sides are same. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now third part of this question is under root 49 is equal to under root 7. Now this. You write here this 49 7 square is equal to under root 7. Now here we also see this is not equal to this. If we write in Mazid and we again simplify in exponential form, write here 7 2 under root 1 by 2. Here also 7 1 by 2. 7 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equal to 7 1 by 2. Now this will 2 cancel this 2. You have 7 1 by 2. Now left hand side not is equal to right hand side. It means it is false. Now the fourth part of this question, under root third root here 27 is equal to x power 3. You write this 27 power 1 by 3 is equal to this x power 27, this x power 27. Now here x 27 power 1 by 3 is equal to x 3. Now x again 27 power over power multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1 over 3 is equal to x 3. X 27 multiplied by 1 over 3 is equal to x 3. Now 3 ones are 3 nines are. It means x 9 is equal to x 3. Now both are not same. It is also false because this is not equal to this. Here x power 9 here is equal to x power 3. Now the question is third question. We simplify the following radical expression. Now radical expression is given. We will solve the simplify this number. The first part of this question is under root minus 125. Here third root. Now write this minus 125 1 over 3. Again this 125 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5. It means 5 power 3. Right here 5 power 3 minus 1 over 3 is equal to minus 5 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 because power over power will multiply. You write here only this cancel with this 3. You have only 5. Now this is your answer. The second part of this question is under root 32 4 this. Again you solve this 32 and 1 by 4. You write here 1 by 4. This root index you write here 1 by 4. It means 2 which multiply by 5 times each other. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 1 by 4. Now 1 2 3 4 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. You write here 2 power 4 multiply 2 power 1 by 4. There. This power 1 by 4, this is power also this power. 1 over 4 also power of this 2 power 1 by 4. 2 power 2 4 power 1 by 4. Multiply. 2 power 1 by 2 power only here 2 है and 1 by 4 this 2 4 multiply by 1 over 4 4 multiply by 4 and here 2 over 1 by 4 is equal to 2 here and we write in radical sign here only 2 under 4 now here. Now this is the simplification form of this. You will also write this is equal to 2 under root 2 power 1 by 4. Now you also write this in this form. Now this next question, third part of this, third part is fifth root of this, fifth root 3 over 32, 3 over 32. Now this is equal to 3 over 32 power 1 by 5. You write here this power of only power of 3 and 1 by 5 over 3 over 2, 32. Now this 3 power 1 by 5 and 32 power 1 by 5. Again this 3 power 1 by 5 over 32 mean 5 times of multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 and 5. It means 2, 5, 1 over 5 is equal to 3 1 by 5 and 2, 5 multiply 1 over 5. This 5 will cancel this 5. You have only in the denominator 2 and the numerator you write here 3 1 by 5. Now it is also in simplification form. You write this also in fifth root here 3 and over 2. Now this is the simplification form of this question. Now the fourth part of this is third root here and minus 8 over 27. Now write again in exponential form minus 8 over 27 power 1 over 3. Now 8 you write here 2 की power 3, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 4 4 2 side. Similarly 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 3 times 3 27 minus 1 over 3 is equal to this minus sign here 2 power 3 and also this power of 1 over 3 this here 3 power 3 also 1 over 3. It means minus 2 power 3 multiplied 1 over 3. Again here 3 power 3 multiply 1 over 3. This 3 will cancel this 3. This 3 will cancel this 3. You have only minus 2 over 3. Now this is the simplification form of this question.